Hello guys, now I'm in the balcony. Oh, you see? It's very calm. It's almost 6 o'clock now. Okay, so I start cleaning fire. Okay, I need to fix because it will be dry. Okay, did you see? Sisi is not yet asleep. Oh, sleep is still sleeping. Okay, not yet wake up what I mean. I'm sorry. Ganito lang talaga ang buhay. Minsan nagkakamali ka. Okay? Ganito. Nilinis ko po dito. Habang walang araw na sunny time. Sunny hours. Para mas madali ilinis. Okay. Ito. Ilinis ko ito dito. Kasi lalagay ko dito yung laundry ko. Ganito, tahimik ang buhay. Pag nagtrabaho ka, peaceful lang. Security ang sakit. Tahimik, hangin lang ang mahihinig niyo. Hangin at ingay na mga sasakyan na magkayot na. Yung happy. Ay, kumahulog na yung cellphone ko. Saka ka video. Yung cellphone ko mahuhulog na. O, tingnan na. Dito lang, ganito lang. Ito. Okay. Ayan. Nalinis ko. Para mamaya, tuloy-tuloy na ako sa malaking baldo. Pagkatapos ko kay Sisi, aalis na si Sisi pupunta sa school. So, doon naman ako sa malaking balkon. Tuloy-tuloy na ang trabaho. Aray ko. Pag ganito kasi, pag wala akong maliit talaga na baby. If there is no small baby, so you can quickly to work. You can do it. Everything, not everything. At least you can clean. You can clean well. Every day. Pag hindi ka lazy. If you're lazy to work, that's all. If you're trying hard to work, so that's it. You are feeling that you are talking alone na lang. Oh my God. Parang you are telling ako. Telling alone. Oh, ayan o. Iusap ko yung dito na. Iusap ko na yung dito. Para dito naman ako sa kalahati maglilinis. Okay? So, thank you again. Thank you for watching. Oh, ayan yung labas. Oh. Okay. More power to each of us. And God bless us all. And bye-bye. Again and again. Worldwide and nationwide. Thank you very much to support my YouTube channel. And you are always watching my all videos. Thank you and thank you and thank you. Oh, ginagawa ko ng mirror yung cellphone ko. Ayan, no? O, diba? Oh. Anytime. all for use na this one. O, diba? Oh, very nice now. Okay. Yela, bye-bye na. Patay na. Mag 6 o'clock na. Okay, Yela, bye again. God bless us all. Thank you, thank you.